Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box, then type prefetch and hit Enter. This will open a folder containing temporary files that Windows creates to help applications load faster. But over time, these files can build up and slow down your system. Select all files in this folder and delete them. Don't worry, Windows will automatically regenerate any necessary files when needed. After that, type temp and hit Enter. This opens another folder filled with temporary junk files created by different applications. These files are completely safe to remove, so select everything and delete them to free up space. Next, type %temp% and hit Enter to access another location where Windows stores temporary files. These are different from the ones in the previous folder, but they still take up unnecessary space, so go ahead and delete everything inside. Now, search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu and open it. Select your main drive, usually C:, and let the tool analyze how much space can be freed up. Check all available boxes, including temporary files, system cache, thumbnails, and recycle bin. Then click Clean up System Files for an even deeper cleanup. Windows will scan for old update files, error logs, and other unnecessary data. Select everything again and hit Delete Files to delete them.